Today we don't have much time, so I wanted to get ready. I just went out for a picnic, which is why I'm not wearing much. I didn't even do mascara because I don't know, I didn't really want to. First thing I'm going to do is remove my contacts that I have. This is really a lot of fun. I don't have like tinted glasses, and I'm like forced to wear my contacts when it's sunny because I need to get actual like prescription sunglasses. Because I already used this side, as you can see, and I'm not gonna use this one actually because it's usually for like eye makeup that I use it, but now I'm not wearing any, so I mean I am, but it's like just it's not mascara, like it's not hard to remove. I had gloss on actually and it all went away. This is really funny because this is my current makeup, like today's makeup, and this is yesterday's, as you can see. So this is gonna go in my makeup pouch. This is like full, so now I need to wash. Like always, double cleanse. This is what I'm currently using. I started using it not that long ago because I used to use the CeraVe for a while, and this was like, I bought it in Spain and it was really affordable and it's pretty good actually. I have hyaluronic acid here, and it's what I'm gonna do today. So like I do have a rotation of different products that I use. I make sure to not use too many products that don't work together and stuff like that. My storage was full, so then I have this moisturizer in my bathroom. It's not the one I use most of the time because usually I do my whole routine in my bedroom, but now like I don't really have much time, so I have another like pump moisturizer that I use for night, but this one I've already used a million times, so it's just as good. Glycolic acid, I always do a little bit on, what the hell? What the hell? Why is it not working? I've already used it literally, what the fuck? Is it clogged? Can this even get clogged? Oh my god, it is. What the hell? What the fuck? I think there's a little something here. I have another one. I use it all the time. Pissing me off. Look, I'm just dumb and I never used it. I just had to remove the little lid thingy. Anyways, give a little bit on my pinky and I apply it on my lips because my lips get dry as shit all the time. And then I go ahead with my tiny lip balm from Laneige. Just like so. My hair is absolutely crazy, so I'm just gonna remove this because it's too tight and it's not so good to have something very, very tight. I'm just gonna braid it because I really don't have time to take care of it right now. Lately I've only been using these like silk scrunchies because I feel like they're so much more gentle on your hair, which they definitely are. The others, like I have one here, those like these ones, see there's already hair on it. I don't know if you can see, but there's a bunch of hair on it, and every time you take it off it just takes commission, and it's very annoying. So I bought a pack of these and they've been honestly amazing. Like there's one hair from, well, it still kind of falls off because it's what it does, but it's really much better. So that's pretty much it for my very, very quick routine. So this is what I would recommend doing on a daily basis. No excuses. And yeah, of course, if you want to do something a little more complex, a little longer, you definitely go for it. But this, to me, is the amount that you should do if you really like have things to do and stuff like that. I'll definitely do a more in-depth version. Brainwashed myself into doing a skincare, like I'm not capable of doing nothing and just going to my whatever, night, day, whatever. Very difficult for me, so this is like the amount of skincare that I usually do. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to let me know down in the comments and give it a little thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye!